Good morning, class.
Good morning, ma'am.
Can we stand for our opening prayer? Smokey, can you lead the prayer?
Let us pray in the
Father, Son, Holy Spirit, Amen.
Our Father,
Our
Father, who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done, on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our sins, as we forgive those who sin against us. Do not bring us the best, but deliver us from evil. Amen.
Good morning again, class.
Good morning, ma'am.
Before you take your seat, kindly arrange your chair properly. Illuminate, you now take your seat. Is anyone absent today?
None, ma'am.
Very good. That's good that you are all present. For today, to start our discussion, let us have an activity. So this activity is called Can You Guess Me? So all you need to do is to guess the pictures that I will show in the screen. Am I understood, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so this is the first picture. What is this? Yes, Margaret.
a praying mom.
Do you think the answer of Margaret is correct, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Let us check if it is correct. Very good. Let us give 3 claps for Margaret. This is a brain. The next picture. What is this? Yes, Jerry.
It is a spinal cord.
Alright, thank you. Let us check if Jerry's answer is correct. Alright, this is a spinal cord. Let us give 3 claps for Jerry. The next picture. What is this? Yes, Snooki.
Nerve mom.
Right, so let us check if Snooki's answer is correct.
Nerves.
Very good. This is nerves. In order for us to know about them, let us have another activity. So all you need to do is to watch the video carefully and answer the following questions that I will give to you, and select one representative to present your answer. So, first, I will group you into 4 groups. So this will be the group 1, group 2, group 3, and group 4. But before we proceed, this is the guide questions. Group 1, can you read your questions?
What is nervous system? What is the job or function of our nervous system? What are the 2 main parts of the nervous system?
Group 2,
What is central nervous system? What are the 2 parts of central nervous system? What is brain? What is spinal cord?
group 3,
What is peripheral nervous system? What are the 2 types of peripheral nervous system? What is autonomic nervous system? What is somatic nervous system?
group 4,
What are motor nerves? What are sensory nerves? What are mixed nerves? What are neurons?
right, thank you. So I have here your materials. So these materials serve as your visual aids. So this will be the group 1, group 2, group 3, and group 4. So while watching the video, you may answer your guide questions slowly. Now, let us watch the video together.
Hi kids! Today we will learn about our nervous system. Kids, have you ever wondered why a person who is conscious does not feel any pain, cold, hot, or see or hear anything? It is because his brain is not in a state of sending any signal to the sense organs or any other part of the body. And our brain that we can see, we can smell, we can hear, and we can walk or we can sit. We think that we see with our eyes, but it's actually the brain behind everything that we see. Our eyes send signals to the brain, which interprets the signal, and then only we are able to see. Similarly, our skin sends signals to the brain, which interprets the signal, and then only we feel something hot, cold, rough, smooth, or anything. So likewise, we feel, we see, we hear, we dance, we talk, all because of our brain sending signals to us to do that. And this system, to which signals are sent or received, is called nervous system. Our nervous system is made up of millions of specialized cells called neurons. So this transfers signals in our body. Example, our brain gives a signal if we are hurt. And it's the brain that makes us feel the pain. This is why a person who is unconscious does not feel cold, hot, pain, or anything, because his brain is not working at times. Only a person who is conscious, that is, whose brain is working, can see, hear, taste, feel, and smile. Let's see another example. If an alarm is ringing, this information is sent to our brain via our ears. Our brain processes the information, takes a decision, and sends signals to our hands to press the button on the alarm clock. So this passing of information signals from the body organs to the brain, and the brain to our body organs. Is the job of our nervous system. So today, we are learning all about our nervous system. Our nervous system is divided into two main parts: central nervous system and peripheral nervous system. Central nervous system consists of our brain and spinal cord. Central nervous system. We know central nervous system includes our brain and spinal cord. Our brain. It is the main organ of central nervous system. It is present in our head and is protected by the skull. The brain has three important parts: cerebellum, cerebrum, and medulla. Cerebellum is also known as little brain. And this cerebellum, or the little brain, is responsible for the smooth and coordinated body movement. Next is cerebrum. It is the folded area of the brain, which is the main site of intelligence, logical thoughts, and emotions. Next is medulla, also called the brainstem. It has many important functions, like regulating our heart rate, our breathing, our blood pressure, our swallowing, digestion, and many involuntary actions. Peripheral nervous system. It consists of all the nerves. Peripheral nervous system is further divided into two types: autonomic nervous system and somatic nervous system. That includes all the nerves that connect the central nervous system to every part of the body. Peripheral nervous system carries messages from the central nervous system and sends them to the other body parts, and also carries carries back messages from the other body parts to the central nervous system, that is the brain and spinal cord. Body parts send messages to the brain. The brain interprets these messages and generates order, which is sent back to the relevant body part to take action. Nerves that transmit signals from the brain are motor nerves, and the nerves transmitting signals to the brain are called sensory nerves. There are also nerves that serve both the purposes, and they are known as mixed nerves. All the nerves are made up of cells called neurons, also called nerve cells. Neurons have special structures that let them transmit signals from one neuron to the other in the form of electromagnetic waves.
Are you done, class?
Yes, ma'am.
You may post your answers on the board. Group 1 representative, can you read your answers?
Okay, good morning everyone. So this is the questions that we will answer. What is a nervous system? Nervous system is a system through which signals are sent and received. And the second one, what is the job or function of our nervous system? To pass the information signals from body organs to the brain and the brain to body organs. And the last one, what are the two main parts of the nervous system? So the two main parts of the nervous system are central nervous system and the peripheral nervous system. That's it.
Thank you. Group 1. Group 2.
Good morning, everyone. These are assigned questions. And first question, what is central nervous system? Central nervous system is the processing center of the body. What are the two parts of central nervous system? The two parts of central nervous system are brain and spinal cord. What is brain? Brain is the primary organ of the central nervous system contained within the skull. What is spinal cord? The spinal cord is a cord-like material in the backbone.
Thank you. Group 2. Group 3.
Okay. Good morning, everyone. I am a representative of Group 3. And our questions are the first one, what is peripheral nervous system? Peripheral nervous system consists of all the nerves. And what are the two types of peripheral nervous system? The two types of peripheral nervous system are the autonomic nervous system and the somatic nervous system. And what is autonomic nervous system? Autonomic nervous system regulates involuntary bodily function. What is somatic nervous system? Somatic nervous system controls voluntary movements. That's all.
Thank you. Group 3. Group 4.
Good morning, everyone. I'm the representative for Group 4. So our questions are, what are motor nerves? Motor nerves are nerves that transmit signal from the brain. Second, what are sensory nerves? Sensory nerves are nerves that transmit signal to the brain. Next, what are mixed nerves? Mixed nerves are nerves that serve both purposes. What are neurons? Neurons are made up of cells called nerve cells.
Thank you. Group 4. In this activity, do you have any idea what is our topic for today? Yes, Margaret.
Our topic for today is all about nervous system.
Thank you. Let us check if the answer of Margaret is correct. Our topic for today is all about the nervous system. But before we proceed to our discussion, let us know first our learning objectives that we need to attain in this lesson. Everybody read.
To discuss the parts and functions of the nervous system. To label the different parts of the nervous system using the word bug. To show the importance of taking good care of the nervous system.
Right, thank you. So in order to attain these objectives, I want you to cooperate and participate well in our activities. Am I understood, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Right. So our body is continuously moving or working and make activities as we go about the day. So everything we do includes thinking, moving, and coordinating our body parts. Have you wondered how you do these things?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you know which part of our body is responsible for controlling our activities we do and processes that happen in our body?
Yes, ma'am.
So, who can say what part of our body it is? Yes, Snoopy.
Brain.
Right? Might be? Yes.
The nervous system, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. So, very good. So, the nervous system is the system that which controls our activities and the processes of our body. So, I have here an illustration of the nervous system. Anyone who can define what is nervous system? Yes, Jerry.
The nervous system is a system through which signals are sent and received.
Thank you. So the nervous system is a system through which signals are sent and received. So the nervous system is a body system that controls our body parts. So it receives information from the stimuli outside and inside of our body to integrate and coordinate bodily movements. Also, all the information outside and inside of our body is processed and interpreted by our nervous system. So there are two main parts. What is the main function or job of our nervous system? Yes, Maribel.
The main job or primary function of our nervous system is to pass the information signals from the body organs to the brain and the brain to the body parts.
Thank you. So the job or function of our nervous system is to pass the information signals from the body organs to the brain and the brain to body organs. So the function of our nervous system is to controls, monitors, coordinates our body parts and processes. So it also receives information from our environment and makes specific body parts act that information or message. There are two main parts of the nervous system. Who can give the two main parts of the nervous system? Yes, Nuki.
Central nervous system and peripheral nervous system.
Thank you. So the nervous system have the two main parts. So these are the central nervous system and the peripheral nervous system. Now let us talk about them one by one. Let us know first what is central nervous system. So what is central nervous system? Snoopy.
Central nervous system is the processing center of the body.
Thank you. So the central nervous system is the processing center of the body. So the central nervous system is responsible for processing information and coordinating our body's activities. So there are parts of the central nervous system. Who can give the two parts of the central nervous system? Yes, Jim Webb.
Brain and spinal cord.
So the two parts of central nervous system are brain and spinal cord. Let us us know about the brain. What is brain? Anyone? Yes, Margaret.
Brain is the primary organ of the central nervous system contained with the skull.
Thank you. Brain is the primary organ of the central nervous system contained within the skull. So the brain is one who receives and interprets countless signals and also makes us conscious, emotional, and smart. It also controls human emotions such as love, hate, anger, and other emotions we have. So it also controls system for our movement, sleep, hunger, fears, and other vital activity necessary for our survival. Next, who can locate here in the illustration where is the brain located? Yes, Snooki.
The brain is located here.
Alright, very good. So the brain is located here in our head. So there are parts of the brain. So there are 3 parts of the brain. So what are those 3 parts of the brain? Snooki.
Cerebellum, or medulla, or brainstem.
Very good. So the parts of the brain are cerebellum, medulla, or brainstem. So let us talk about the cerebellum. What is cerebellum? Anyone? Yes, Maribeth.
It is the largest structure in the brain.
Alright. So the cerebellum is responsible for controlling speech, emotions, intelligence, reasoning, thinking, and sensation. So the cerebellum is the largest part of our brain. So it receives sensory messages. It also acts as the center of consciousness, emotions, learning, and voluntary movements. So now, who can locate where is the cerebellum located? Jerry.
The cerebrum located in this area, ma'am. The biggest area.
Alright, thank you. Very good. So the cerebrum is located in the upper part of our brain. Now, let us proceed to the second part of the brain, the cerebellum. What is cerebellum? Yes, Jimuel.
Cerebellum, ma'am, is the primary responsible for muscle control, including balance and movements.
Alright, thank you. So the cerebellum is the second largest of the brain. So it is located beneath the cerebrum. So it is smaller than the cerebrum. So it is specifically responsible for balance, posture, and movement coordination. So now, who can locate where is the cerebellum located? Yes, Marvin.
This part is the cerebellum.
Right, very good. So the cerebellum is located beneath the cerebrum rather. So it is located beneath the cerebellum. So it is smaller than the cerebrum. Next, the next part of the brain is
Medulla.
medulla or the brainstem. So who can define what is brainstem? Yes, Juliegin.
Medulla, ma'am, is the one who helps to control the vital processes like your heartbeat, breathing, and blood pressure.
Right. So the brainstem is an elongated area at the base of our brain. So it is found at the base of the brain and connects the brain to the spinal cord. So who can locate where is the medulla or brainstem located? Yes, Jimuel.
The medulla is located here.
Very good. So the medulla or brainstem is located here in the lower part of the cerebellum. So it connects from the brain to the spinal cord. Now, let us proceed to the other parts of the central nervous system, which is the
Peripheral.
spinal cord. So, what is spinal cord? Yes, Jerry.
Spinal cord is a cord-like material in the backbone.
Right, thank you. So, spinal cord is a cord-like material in the backbone. So, the spinal cord is a long, thin, tubular bundle of nervous system nervous tissue that extends from the base of our brain to the spinal cord. To the spinal column, rather. So the spinal cord is right. So from the base of the brain down to the spinal cord. So the spinal cord is also serves as a pathway of messages through from or to the brain. Now let us talk about the second main part of the by the way. So who can locate where is the spinal cord located? Yes, Nuki.
The back spinal cord.
Alright, very good. So the spinal cord located in this. So this red is the spinal cord. Now let us proceed to the next main part of the nervous system. So what is the second or part of the nervous system? Yes.
The second part of the nervous system is the peripheral nervous system.
Right. Very good. So the second part or main part of the nervous system is the peripheral nervous system. So what is peripheral nervous system? Anyone? Yes, Nuki.
Peripheral nervous system consists of all the nerves.
So peripheral nervous system consists of all the nerves. So as you can see here in the illustration, so the blue color is the nerves. So the peripheral nervous system consists of all the nerves of our body.
Yeah.
So the peripheral nervous system collects information from our sense organ, such as our eyes, and nose. So this information interpreted or transmitted to the organs of the central nervous system and deliver decisions to the body parts that will act the message or the information. So there are two parts or types of peripheral nervous system. What are those two types of peripheral? Yes, Jimwell.
Autonomic nervous system and somatic nervous system.
Right. So the two types of peripheral nervous system are autonomic nervous system and somatic nervous system. Now let us talk first about the autonomic nervous system. What is autonomic nervous system? Yes, Jerry.
The autonomic nervous system regulates involuntary bodily functions.
Very good. So autonomic nervous system regulates involuntary bodily functions. Bodily functions such as heart rate, digestion, respiratory rate, and glandular secretions. It also regulates the internal movement. Now, what is the next part or types of peripheral nervous system? Yes, Smokey.
Somatic nervous system.
Very good. The next is the somatic nervous system. So what is somatic nervous system? Yes, Jimwell.
Somatic nervous system controls voluntary movements.
Somatic nervous system controls voluntary movements. So it involves conscious activities and voluntary control of muscular or skeletal muscles. It allows us to perform activities such as walking, talking, and moving our limbs. Now, what is motor nerves? Anyone? Yes, Snooki.
Motor nerves are nerves that transmit signals from the brain.
Alright, thank you. So motor nerves are nerves that transmit signals from the brain. So it is responsible for carrying signals from our brain and spinal cord to the muscles to control movement. Next, what is sensory nerves? Yes, Margaret.
Sensory nerves are nerves that transmit signals to the brain.
Sensory nerves are nerves that transmit signals to the brain. It is transmit signals from sensory organs and the skin to the brain and spinal cord, enabling us to feel touch, temperature, pain, and other sensations. Now, what is or are mixed nerves? Yes, Jerry.
The mixed nerves are nerves that save both purposes, which is the motor nerves and also the sensory nerves.
Right, thank you. So mixed nerves are nerves that serve both purposes. So it contains both motor and sensory nerves, fibers, and are responsible for transmitting both types of signals. Now, what is neurons? Yes, Jimwell.
Neurons are made up of cells called nerve cells.
Right. So neurons are made up of cells called nerve cells. So it is the basic building blocks of our nervous system. So it is responsible for transmitting and processing information in the form of electrical and chemical signals. Now, do you have any questions or clarifications regarding to our discussion?
None, ma'am.
Alright, so since none, let's have an individual activity. So all you need to do is label the different parts of the nervous system using a word bank inside the box. Are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Alright, so I will give you 2 minutes in doing this activity. So here is your materials. So your timer starts now. Are you done, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you pass your output in the front? Alright, thank you. So, do you know how to sing head, shoulder, knees, and toes?
Yes, ma'am.
And really understand our topic this morning, so I have a questions for you. So what is nervous system? Yes, Snooki.
Nervous system is a system in which signals are sent and received.
Right, very good. Let us give 3 claps for Snooki. Now, there are two main parts of our nervous system. So, what are the two main parts? Yes, Jerry.
The central and the peripheral nervous system.
Very good. So, let us give 3 claps for Jerry. So, what is the central nervous system? Yes, nervous.
Central nervous system consists of the brain and the spinal cord.
Very good. So, the central nervous system consists of the brain and the spinal cord. So, and what is the peripheral nervous system? Snooki.
Peripheral nervous system consists of all the nerves.
Alright, very good. So the peripheral nervous system consists of all the nerves of our body. Now, why is it important to know about the nervous system? Anyone? Yes, Maribel.
Nervous system is very important in order for us to know their function and to know how to maintain those parts.
Alright, thank you. So, it is important to know what are the parts or functions of the parts of our nervous system in order for us to be aware and know about their functions. So, is it important to care our nervous system?
Yes, ma'am.
Why is it important to take good care of our nervous system? Yes, Mark.
Because our nervous system is the one who control our body, and if that system or parts is not functioning well, then magkakaroon ng parts ng problem.
Alright, thank you, Marvick. So, it is important to take good care of our nervous system because our nervous system is the one who controls the parts of our body and process all the information or receives from our environment. It's also taking good care of our nervous system helps us also to our nervous system or other parts of our body works well. So, do you have any clarifications and questions?
None, ma'am.
Since none, let's have a quiz. So all you need to do for the test 1 is to read the statement carefully and encircle the letter of the correct answer. For the test 2, write letter T if the statement is true and write F if the statement is false. And you write your answer on the space provided. Am I clear, class?
Yes, ma'am.
This is your test question. So I will give you 5 minutes to answer your question, the test question.
Yes, ma'am.
Will you pass your paper forward? Right, let us all stand for our closing prayer. Amen.
Amen.
Goodbye, class.
Goodbye, Mom. Thank you for teaching us.